Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kulreet Chaudhary and I'm back to answer more of your questions. The first question comes from Linda after watching my YouTube video on how to make ghee. And Linda asks, what is your nighttime milk recipe in which you add ghee to help with insomnia? Linda, this is the simplest recipe you can imagine. All you do is warm up some milk, just bring it up to a boil and then let it cool down. And then you add either a quarter teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now, the amount of ghee you use depends on your dosha. If you're predominantly kapha, you only need a quarter teaspoon of ghee. If you're vata or pitta, use up to a teaspoon of ghee. Add the ghee in, let it melt, and drink as soon as the milk is cool enough. Now, that is the simplest way to do it, and you will get all the benefits you need for insomnia. But if you want to do something a little bit tastier and a little bit more complex that has even more therapeutic benefits than just insomnia, then I would recommend making my saffron milk recipe. This is a snack that I have every single day in the afternoon because it helps to boost ojas. And ojas is the most important substance that your body creates for overall health. So this milk recipe is not just for insomnia, although it will certainly help with insomnia. It's for much, much more. So if you want to go the route, maybe just once in a while, of doing something that is a little bit tastier, a little bit fancier, and provides you with that additional ojas boost, you can make my saffron milk. And I have an entire YouTube video on how to make saffron milk, which I will link to this answer. Thanks so much, Linda, for your question. This is Dr. Kulreet Chaudhary wishing you health and happiness.